So we are going now to read this page 330. Heavy or light? Heavy or light? I'll read this paragraph and you will have 2 minutes for reading this one. Some things you pick up feel light. Some things you pick up feel light. Others feel heavy. Others feel heavy. Weight is the measure of how heavy an object feels. Read it. You can start. Thank you. This word light, 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 heavy, 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 heavy. Okay, this one you have order the light. Order from light to heavy. Write number 1 for the lightest, write number 3 for the heaviest. Here we have the paint, paperclip, marker. Paint, paperclip, marker. So which one you will take number 1? Which one is very light? Of course the paperclip is number 1. So here write number 1. Under the paperclip write number 1. Which one will be take number 2? The marker or the paint? Of course the marker will take number 2. Of course the marker will take number 2. So the marker take number 2. And this paint will take number 3. This paint will take number 3. Okay, please leave your pencil and follow me. The second word for today is temperature. All of you, temperature. Temperature, 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 temperature. All of you read it. Something slowly. Temperature, 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 temperature. Thank you. Temperature is the measure of how warm something is. Temperature as the measure of how warm something is. For example, if I ask you, what is the temperature of this pizza? This pizza is hot or cold? Of course, this pizza is hot. If I ask you, this ice pop is hot or cold? Of course, this ice pop is cold. Of course, this ice pop is cold. So, this pizza is hot and this ice pop is cold. So, the word hot and the word cold. The word hot and the word cold mean the temperature of the matter. The word hot and the word cold mean the temperature of the word. Mean the word temperature. Mean the temperature. So, what is the temperature? Temperature is the measure of how warm something is. So, everyone, please repeat after me. Temperature. Temperature as the measure of how warm something is. Okay, thank you. For example, this hot cocoa or the hot chocolate, this one is hot or cold? Of course, this one is hot. This lemon juice is hot or cold? Of course, this lemon juice is cold. So we have hot and we have cold. The next one, this juice is hot or cold? Of course, this juice is cold. This coffee or this tea is hot or cold? Of course, this one is hot. Of course, this one is hot. This ice cube is hot or cold? This ice cube is hot or cold? Of course, this ice cube is cold. This fire is hot or cold? Of course, this fire is hot. So everyone, I need your science book on this page. This page 331. Page 331. I will read this paragraph and I will leave for you only 2 minutes for reading this one. Hot or cold? How hot is a pizza? How cold is an ice pop? You can find out by using temperature. Temperature as a measure of how warm something is. You can start reading. Okay, for the next one, here we have in this box we have the pizza. Pizza is hot. The ice pop is cold. This hot chocolate is hot and this lemon juice is cold. So on this line we have the hot things like the pizza and hot chocolate. And here he asks you to draw something hot. Here I'm asking you to draw something hot. So you can draw whatever you want. For example, cup of tea. For example, coffee. For example, pizza. For example, what do you want? Anything that you wanted to draw it, but must be hot. Here you can draw something cold. Here you can draw something cold, like ice cream, like the juice, like the cold water, whatever you want. So here you will have 5 minutes for drawing this. You can get out your color pencils and color the drawing this. And you can start. So today we have finished page 330 and 331, and we have finished these two pages.